Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe website at adobe.com. Log into your Adobe account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on the Plans option located in the upper menu. Under Plans, find the Manage Plan link associated with your subscription. Click on Manage Plan to enter your subscription settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan to initiate the cancellation process. Review the information carefully. If you still wish to cancel, click on the Continue to Cancel button. Adobe may ask for feedback on your cancellation. Select your reason for leaving from the options provided. Once you've provided feedback, click the Continue button to move forward. You may encounter a final offer to retain your subscription at a discounted rate. If you're not interested, select No Thanks to proceed with the cancellation. Review the cancellation terms presented on the screen. Confirm your decision by clicking the Cancel My Plan button. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email detailing the changes to your subscription. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. You will retain access to your subscription until the end of your billing cycle. That concludes the cancellation process for your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.